Hello children, welcome to St. Joseph's Academy video learning classes. This video is for class 2, subject English 2, Mulberry, lesson number 9, The Adventures of Pinocchio, part 2. In this video, we will do question answer and word meaning. Children, we completed the story in our last video class. Today, we will do question answer and word meaning. So children, first we will do word meaning. So our first word is strange. Here strange means different in a way that is difficult to understand. Or we can say unique or unusual. And we can say uncommon. Our next word is lump. Lump means piece of wood that does not have a shape. A small piece of wood that has not any shape. Our next word is mending. Mending means repairing something that has been damaged or broken. So we can say mending means repairing. Next word is chip. Chip means cut or break small piece of something with a tool. Next word is get rid of. Get rid of means be free of something that has been annoying you or that you do not want. If you don't want anything and you want to be free, so that means get rid of. Number 6 word is carved. Carved means to make or made something by cutting away material from wood. Our next word is stretch. Stretch means become longer. Our next word is rudely. Rudely means in a way that show a lack of respect for other people and their feelings. Rudely means lack of respect for other people and their feelings. Number 9 is forgave. Forgive means stop feeling angry with somebody who had upset you. Now children, let's do the question answer based on the story. Here is given one line. Read the line carefully and try to give these answers. So line is, once upon a time, a carpenter picked up a strange lump of wood while mending a table. The question is, what did the strange lump of wood do when The carpenter chipped it. So your answer must be, the strange lump of wood started to talk when the carpenter chipped it. When the carpenter was chipped the small piece of wood, the small piece of wood started to talk. The small piece of wood said, "Ouch, stop." So the strange lump of wood started to talk. So see the B question. Who did the carpenter give the strange lump of wood to? So children, in the story, the carpenter gave the strange lump of wood to his friend. His name was Geppetto. Geppetto was carpenter's friend, so the carpenter gave the strange lump of wood to his friend Geppetto because Geppetto wanted to make a puppet. And the carpenter was afraid from that strange lump of wood, so the carpenter wanted to get rid of that lump of wood. So the carpenter gave the strange lump of wood to his friend Geppetto. Next question is, what did that person do with the strange lump of wood? So that person decided to make a puppet with the strange lump of wood. So Geppetto decided to make a puppet with the strange lump of wood. So children, our next line is, Geppetto kept cutting it and cutting it, but the more he cut, the longer the nose grew. So next question is, whose nose was Geppetto cutting? Geppetto was making puppet, so whose nose was Geppetto cutting? So Geppetto was cutting Pinocchio's, the puppet nose. Geppetto was cutting Pinocchio, the puppet's nose. Next question is, what happened each time Geppetto cut the nose? When he was mending the puppet Pinocchio, the nose grew longer and longer. So what happened each time Geppetto cut the nose? So your answer must be, each time Geppetto cut its nose, it grew longer. Our next question is, what did Geppetto carve next? So Geppetto carved the puppet's mouth next. When he was cutting its nose and it grew longer and longer, he next started to carve the puppet's mouth next. Now children, let's do read, reflect and write. Here is given question number 4. How was Pinocchio different from other puppets? So your answer must be, Pinocchio could move his eyes, talk with his mouth and move his hands and legs unlike other puppets. So children, Pinocchio was different from the other puppets. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, did Pinocchio have good manners at first? How do you know? So, your answer must be, No, Pinocchio did not have good manners at first. This is because he laughed at his maker, stuck out his tongue at him, and pulled his hair. When the Geppetto was making puppet Pinocchio, so he did not have good manners at first, because once the Geppetto made the mouth, puppet started to laugh at his maker, stuck out his tongue at him, and pulled his hair. That's why Pinocchio did not have good manners at first. Question number 6. What did Pinocchio want to do at the end of the story? So children, at the end of the story, Pinocchio wanted to go to school and help his maker in his old age. So children, question number 7 is, if you met Pinocchio, what would you tell him to do? Your answer must be, I would ask him to play with me. Question number 8. There are parts of our body that we can bend and parts that we cannot. So children, which part of your body can you bend? Make a list of these body parts. So answer is, parts of our body which we can bend are neck, elbows, back and knees, etc. Now children, I hope you understood all the answers and word meaning of this chapter. Do these question answers in your copy and learn it. Children, now we will do the exercise work in our next video class. Till then, bye-bye.